Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another sneaker video, and today we have this Space Hippie 04 that just came in the mail. As you see, Nike shipped it, in its shoebox, so that's kind of the whole theme for it. We're trying to save the environment with the Space Hippie. They're using recycled materials to make the shoe. Really, really cool concept, but the label is on the other side, so I'm gonna have to take it off screen to unbox it. Actually, I just stole some of Aaron's little paper and sticky notes, so we'll just go ahead and keep these on here and get this open. All right, so let's see. This is the first time opening these. I just picked these up from my in-laws' house. I had to use Erin's account to get these because for some reason my account isn't able to ever get anything, and she usually hits on hers. So here we are. So starting off, that's what the top of the lid looks like. It's pretty cool. It says Nike Trash Transformed Space Hippie, and then it has a QR code, which I guess I'll check out in a little bit. It also says here on the inside, Nike Trash Transformed. And we also do get what looks to be the quality control stamp right here. So these are the Nike Space Hippie 04. As you see, the tape is over where it says the 04, but these are a women's colorway, or they were made to be women's, but they also came in some men's sizing too. So I got a 13, which is a men's 11.5. So I'm hoping these fit. Also, I'm thinking about using a hair dryer and taking off all this extra Nike tape, but I guess I'll see what I do. The inside also has some more text. I just took the shoes out and saw it. It says Nike Space Hippie there. And then it says the move to zero, Nike right here. And then just on the bottom, you do get a whole Nike swoosh and then Nike Space Hippie. But I'm gonna go ahead and move this box off the table. Okay, so I had to hold these things in my hand for a second just to kind of feel everything out here. The sole is crazy, and like these little, there you go, a little piece just fell out. See, that's like crazy. All these little pieces will fall out. From what I can tell, Nike in their video said that they used a bunch of different pieces from different shoes, recycled the material, and then put it into this shoe. All these little bits and pieces are parts of other shoes that they've kind of just blended into this foam, which is why pieces are falling off the shoe. But I think that's super cool, and it gives it kind of like a confetti look. The outsole here is kind of transparent, and then it goes back to the way it is on the midsole, but you still get all that confetti looking pattern from all the different pieces of different shoes. After watching some of the Space Hippie reviews, I was kind of disappointed that there's no Zoom X in here. It's just pretty much this recycled material. And it's kind of a bummer because the other three do include the Zoom X. The other three also do include a tote bag in the box, which this one does not, which I don't really know what's going on. Tote bag also only says 1, 2, and 3, and kind of doesn't include the 4. So I don't know if this one was an afterthought and they kind of made it just out of nowhere, or if it's part of a different series, because it really isn't even the same colorway as the other ones. Either way, this is the main one I really wanted. I really like the silhouette on this one. I thought this one looked the best. Is that high top one with the straps, and that one is really cool, but I feel like this one is the most wearable in my opinion. This is what the insole looks like when you take it out. It does have your size tag right here, and it is glued and sticky on the back. It just came out really easily though. And underneath right there, you do get a 13 for a women's 13. The material on this shoe is a lot different than most of the Flyknit I've ever seen. This is, I don't even know if you consider it Flyknit, but it's stretchy just like a regular sock. This heel portion here kind of looks transparent, but it is very stretchy and it stretches out. You also do get some Nike branding here on the pull tab. Taking a look here at the next shoe, they're kind of sloppy with the tongues right here, and it's frayed a lot. So I might clip that off just to make it look a little bit more clean, but it does say Nike 04. You do get a mini swoosh here on the inside of the shoe, and on the outside you do get that orange Nike swoosh. And one thing I did notice while looking at the outsole is this is a lot harder than this squishy foam. It doesn't squish at all. Also do get a big Nike swoosh here on the heel. So with the lacing system here, it looks pretty standard, and when you kind of pull back right here, you can actually see inside the shoe, which is a little bit different, but it's all one piece and comes back and meets at the tongue. So I thought that was kind of strange, but it's also pretty cool. Overall, I think this release with Nike and the Space Hippies that they're doing is like really, really cool. It's kind of like how Adidas does their Parley Ultra Boost and different shoes that they do with them, where they kind of use materials from the ocean. They're just reusing materials that they have left over, which is pretty cool too. I'm happy I was able to actually pick up the one I really wanted from here. Next Space Hippie release, I think I'm gonna go for only the ones that have the straps on it. This colorway was really the only one I wanted of this one, of the 4. So really happy I was able to pick this one up. I just slipped these on foot, and I'd say they are definitely true to size. And if you want to go down maybe a half size, you might be good because this material is super stretchy. I went with a women's 13, men's 11 and a half, and I'm a true 11 and a half. Sometimes go to 12. The 11 and a half is perfect. Yeah, that's pretty much going to do it for this video. I'm going to throw these on foot and show you what they look like. They're pretty comfortable, and like I said, they fit true to size. Hey, but that is going to be it. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.